Harishahibiriza kasheshe omubirgobera ari munyishengero wa Jimani West County General Moses Ali kwabanuguretwa omwishengero gwayakirwa Speaker w'ishengero Right Honorable Jacob Oboth n'omuhwezi we Right Honorable Thomas Tayebo. Ashahishatu mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni we yakahishengero okwinamira omubere g'omugenzi. Mukuru w'ihanga yongeye agamba amugenzi ko muntu obe nakunda obusinge akunda abantu be ba WestNehinda bakubakorera ebintu by'entunguka n'ebindi yamugamba ko muntu owarwanise entakimazire ezabenzita abanya-Uganda.
This was all due to the mistakes of UPC. Now, that's when now Moses Ali, because remember Moses Ali had been fighting the mistakes of Idi Amin quietly in their group. And that's why Idi Amin had dismissed him. But now, he had now a new problem with UPC. So that's how Moses Ali now, and others, Bamuze and others from West Nile, had to form groups to resist UPC now. 500,000 Ugandans were in Congo and in South Sudan. That time, Uganda was number 4 in the whole world regarding the refugees who are coming from here.
Right Honorable Jacob Oboth nawe yanja kusima ebirungi ebyomugenzi kozire na munonga ebikwatirine n'entunguka.
Today Parliament convenes in a profound sorrow as we pay tribute to the Right Honorable General Retired Moses Ali, a distinguished son of Uganda, a patriot, a gallant retired general, a senior statesman, and a seasoned legislator. We convene not only to mourn his passing, but to honor a life that is dedicated, devoted to the service of our nation.
The Right Honorable Retired General Moses Ali has had an illustrious career spanning more than 50 years, serving in various capacities in the military, civil, and public service of Uganda, where he played a crucial role in the peace, national unity, stability, and social and economic transformation of Uganda.
He would always communicate any small guidance which he feels that cabinet should consume, and I would articulate it on his behalf. Occasionally, he would write some messages for me to articulate for His Excellency the President. And whenever he would like to withdraw from cabinet, he would always make sure that he has sought for authority. He would tell me that, please tell the President that I would now like to withdraw. It is time, it is 2 o'clock. There was a time when his doctors had advised him to always withdraw from cabinet at 2 o'clock. But he would not walk out without permission.
I second the motion for a resolution of Parliament to pay tribute to one of Uganda's longest-serving military officers at the time of his retirement, a 4-star general who devoted his life to the service of his motherland, a courageous freedom fighter, politician, statesman, and servant of the people who breathed his last on Saturday, the 11th of July, 2026.
Bwanyuma emikoreji yono mwishengero ihanga Uganda omubiru gw'omugenzi gwatwarwa aba UPDF Services okuzomura Jimani District aho omubiri gurahumuzibwe omunju yago ey'obutura izoba lya nyenkya kare.